Hi. Okay, hopefully this is working. And I'm just going to walk you through quickly how to make this word cloud. So you have the directions right here in front of you. I have that open as well. And you've already done this part one. You've obviously already gotten a Chromebook and you've already entered the information in this hyperlink, but I want you to click there anyway. So that's how you're going to start off. You're going to click here, which means you click on that blue link and it's going to open up this little menu and you click again on the URL. That's going to open up our survey or our Google form that you already filled out. So hopefully yours is going to load and say you've already responded. If it doesn't, that's okay. Just scroll to the bottom, hit submit, and then you'll see the same thing that everyone else has already seen. So I've got the you've already responded loaded up, and what you're going to do is click on see previous responses. So no matter how you have to get there, if it loads perfectly for you, that's great. If you have to click to the bottom and click submit, that's fine too. It'll still get you there. So then you're going to open up, you're going to see this page where it shows you what everyone has written in. So you're going to find your name. I am going to scroll to the bottom to use one of your teachers as an example. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and I will choose Mrs. Lewis. So you can see this scroll bar over here. That means that there's a lot of entries. There's a lot of wonderful things being said about Mrs. Lewis, as there should be. So you want to make sure that you're at the very top of those words, and you're going to click and keep that click held down. You're going to click, and then with your other finger, or if you're able to do it with two hands, whatever, however you do it, select all this text and make sure you scroll all the way down so that you can tell, and then you can let go of that click, but you can tell by scrolling up and down that you have all of those words selected blue. Once that happens, you need to have your cursor somewhere on the blue and then do a two-finger tap on the trackpad. So two fingers at the same time, tap on that trackpad. You should get this menu, and I want you to choose copy. All right, now I want you to go back to the directions, this Google Doc right here, and I want you to scroll down because you already did that first part. It's telling you right here what you need to do. You need to go to this a new tab and type in ABC Word Cloud. So I'm going to open up a new tab up here. I'm going to type in ABC Word Cloud, and I've already been here today, so it knows. Hit enter. It'll be the first hit. Once that comes up, you're just going to click on it, and it's going to bring you to the tool that will help you make the word cloud. Here it comes. It's nice and slow today. Like I said, it's the first hit if you spelled it right. You just click on it. Mine's purple because I've already been there today. And it's going to load up this word cloud tool. All you need to do to get started is click. There's going to be a big gray box in the middle. You'll see, like I said, it's been really slow today, so we're going to have to be patient and wait while this website loads up. Here it comes. Like I said, there's going to be a big gray box in the middle, and all you need to do is click on it. It says in like really small type, it says click here to start, but you don't need to click on those specific little tiny words. You can just click anywhere on the gray box. And you might think, Mrs. Channer, you're a liar. It's a black box, but don't worry, it will turn gray. We just have to be patient. It's coming, I promise. So I'm just waiting. And sometimes if you talk to your computer, it helps it move faster. If you say, please load this page, there it goes. All right, I don't know what those questions are, but here's our gray box that I was talking about. And it says here, really small, click to start. You don't have to click down there. You can click anywhere inside that box. And then again, you're going to click to get your cursor activated. And then you're going to do another two-finger tap. So two fingers at the same time on the trackpad. You should have the option to paste. And there it all is, all that information, all those wonderful things about Mrs. Lewis. You're going to click next, and it's going to generate that word cloud for you. You're going to have a lot of options up here that you can change things. The word count and word filter you don't need to worry about, but randomize is nice. You can choose the color palette you specifically would like, and you can also choose the layout or the font. Once you have it the way you like it, I want you to go here to the hamburger menu and click Save. It's going to bring up a Save menu for you, and I want you to make sure you save it to your Google Drive. So over here, Google Drive is an option. If My Drive's highlighted, you're good to go. It's going to be called My Cloud. That's fine. Just leave it that way and click Save. Now, I already did this earlier, so I'm going to say, okay, replace it. You won't see that. And then that's done. So then you're going to go to your drive, and you're going to type in the top, My Cloud. Yours might pop up right on the front, but my Google Drive is loaded with a ton of things, so I have to search for it because it would take forever to let it load and look. Yours might just be right there. But if you can't find it, type in those words My Cloud in the search, hit enter, and be patient. Here it comes. Again, if you need to talk to your computer to coax it into listening, you can do that. It doesn't really have any effect, but it makes me feel better. There we go. And I know this is the right one. This is the one I just did, 1104. You can see I have a lot of them because I've been doing this lesson. I'm going to click to open it. And then that brings up this little person with the plus sign. This is important. You want to click that because you need to share this with me. That way I can print it for you. So you're going to click that and you're going to type in my name. You're going to make sure you type Mrs. Chanter. That's it. If you type just Chanter, my kids will come up and they won't be able to print it for you. So don't do that. Don't share it with them. Here we go. So Mrs. Chanter. There I am. Click on me. Click send. Done.